Okay, okay. How was the journey?
Very horrible. I was afraid.
Would you go again?
No.
Would you try again?
Never in my life. We will never try it again.
Hey. This hike keeps getting crazier and crazier and crazier. But guess what? I'm gonna be there too. 1, 2, and 3.
From Accra to Botifalls is a scenic one. Driving through the Bree Hills is a breathtaking sight that showcases the beauty of Accra. Whilst you drive past the Bree Hills, you will encounter these amazing views. After 2 hours 45 minutes drive, we finally arrived at the Botifalls. Botifalls has 3 side attractions. These include the Lower Falls, Umbrella Rock, and the 3-headed palm tree. Each of these attractions offer unique experiences and adds the charm of Botifalls.
This is beauty. This is why we hike, to see the beauty. So guys, they said the journey is 2 hours. Up the hill, we are hiking for 2 good hours. That's crazy, man. But I'm ready, I'm psyched, man.
This one is penis and this one is vagina. Okay.
Has anyone tried to move it?
The penis here, that's the vagina.
Oh, okay. How was the journey?
Very horrible. I was afraid. No comment. I don't know.
Prayer. Oh, okay.
You can stand here and pray. Let's be tongues. With the sky. Dear Lord, that's how I pray. That's all.
How was the journey?
Very good now.
Would you go again?
No.
Alright. Thank you. Jenny. Would you try again?
Never in my life.
Okay. How was the journey for you?
It was good.
Would you try again?
No.
Why?
I'm very tired.
Okay. How was the journey?
No easy.
Would you try again?
Oh, why not? For me, I've been to so many places.
Okay.
So for the me myself, today being my first time of coming here, but I've been to Afajatu and the rest.
Okay. So this is school work, soft work.
Exactly.
Yeah. How was the journey?
It's not easy.
Would you try it again?
No.
Why?
We will never try it again.
Hey! How was the journey? Hey guys, Charlie, maybe small. Ah. 30 minutes in this hike, and it's amazing. Let's continue. Woo! I just climbed this. You can't imagine how I tried, man. I think this leads to the falls. Can you drink it?
I said we were drinking.
Actually, there is a pure water.
This is the ancient cave. Keep this in. You will hear it at the Umbrella Rock. So let's go and find out.
Okay, guys, so this is the ancient cave. They believe that in the olden days,
A man used to live here,
yes.
and then he used to keep his guns and things in the holes here.
Yeah.
And then there's water here too. And in the olden days, if you steal something, you cannot come and pass by this river or this
Yes.
water bank.
wow. All right, so we are learning new things. All right, guys, we have to climb this shit. It's literally straight, vertical. How can I climb this, Bob? Guess what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be there too. Guys, this hike keeps getting crazier and crazier and crazier. But guess what? I gotta be there too. See how I'm sweating. This journey is crazy. Guys, you gotta come here. You gotta come here. Trust me. This is an amazing experience. My mates are even giving up. It's not easy. See what you have to climb. Alright guys, after 2 fucking good hours, we are here. We made it.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We made it.
Alright guys, I said after 2 hours, we made it. We made it.
We made it.
We're on top of the world, man. Outside it. Alright guys, we are here. This is the Umbrella Rock. You need to try this. You need to come here and see it for yourself. It's amazing. It's a very, very beautiful view. Subscribe. Alright guys, so we have arrived at the 3-headed palm nut tree. Palm tree, I don't even know if palm nut or this is it. So I climbed it. You know I do the best for my subscribers. This 1, 2, and 3. Crazy, right? Yes. Alright, so I got here and they told me that this particular rock is a fertility stone. You need to put money to be able to, if you are suffering from giving birth or come and put money here. Here, just locate the 3-headed palm nut tree and put the money here. Trust me, 3 months, you're pregnant and you give birth. Alright guys, we have ended this tour, but crazy thing is that we have to go all the way back to our car to get what is going on here? I need to call someone to come and pick me up. I can't go back. It's crazy. Alright, but I love the experience. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like, leave a comment down below, tell me where you want me to go next, and most importantly, subscribe.
Hello.
Man.